Taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up.
I'm taking one of my late afternoon walks in our orange grove here in Exeter, California. This is where I can breathe and relax and pick some shiners. Those are the fruit left behind after picking. Sometimes they're blemished, sometimes they're damaged, but I think they're perfect from the inside out.
Isn't this awesome? This is how I get to live. I think I see some. Oh yeah, right over here. Here's one. So the official way is to twist and so that stem doesn't break off.
You may not agree, but I thought this dresser from the moment I saw her at the thrift store was beautiful from the inside out. Well, maybe she's not yet, but I was determined to make it happen. After cleaning, sanding, and repairing, it was time to make some molds to cover up some of the blemishes on the dresser. So I used epoxy and IOD's Classic Elements and Acanthus decor molds available on my website.
Baby, don't check for me.
I painted this beauty in letterpress gray, gravel road, and vintage linen, using a lot of dry brush strokes again to camouflage the wear and tear on this dresser. To dress this dresser up even more, I'm applying the IOD's Winter Song Transfer. It's retired, but I still have some available. This transfer is paintable, so I mixed up some golden ticket with some layered chocolate until I got just the right color I wanted. No, this isn't the same dresser. I didn't have any filming of it, so I'm painting the same transfer with the same paint combination on another piece here. Now it was time to dress up those drawers. I sanded, gave them a nice finish of dark and decrepit patina, and then stenciled. To seal the stenciling work, I used DIY's clear wax and then dark wax. It not only gives it a beautiful look, but it helps the old drawers move in and out smoothly.
Kai knows it's time to head home. It's time to head home, says Kai. I hope that I've inspired some of you to find that safe place, that place where you can walk and breathe and find beauty from the inside out.
You can find DIY paints and finishes and the Winter Song IOD transfer on my website, fruitfullifestudio.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.